Hey there teachers, welcome back. Today we're delving into the world of remarkable business ideas. Last lesson we discussed how to make your business stand out from the crowd, but there is more to it than that. Ever heard of the remarkable purple cow? No, not the real one, but the concept behind it. Imagine stumbling upon a real purple cow. What would you do? You'd probably snap a picture and share it with everyone you know, right? That's the power of being remarkable. Seth Godin, a startup guru, coined the term purple cow to explain why standing out in the crowd is crucial for success. It's about being so remarkable that people can't help but talk about your business. But here's the catch. Being remarkable isn't just about grabbing attention. It's also about offering something valuable to your customers. Otherwise, you might end up with a memorable gimmick that nobody wants. Ask your students to think about products you use every day. Write them on the board. What makes them special? How do they stand out from the competition? These are the questions your students need to consider when developing their business ideas. So let's talk about differentiation. Imagine your business idea as a cow in a paddock. But guess what? There are other cows in that paddock, your competitors. Your students need to think about how they can make their cow or business idea different from the others. It's all about creating unique value for their customers. Encourage your students to research their competitors, understand their customers' needs, and get creative with their solutions. By doing so, they'll not only stand out, but also make a real impact in the market. Remember, being remarkable isn't just about being flashy. It's about making a difference. So let's empower our students to think boldly, innovate, and create businesses that leave a lasting impression. And that wraps up our lesson on making your business idea remarkable. I hope you found it helpful for your own classroom activities. Until next time, happy teaching. Remember to visit the Enterprising Girls website and grab the entire lesson plan for free. You'll find the link in the description below. We provide an online classroom where you can monitor your students' progress, access curriculum links, and streamline reporting. Explore it at enterprisinggirls.com.au by clicking on the online classroom in the Teacher Hub.